Hey, we're Lazy Boards and we're gonna skate this boardwalk.
Oh shit, going on YouTube, boy. Oh shit. I know. For real. Hey, it hurt. Oh shit. Gone is it? The funny shit just happened. Edward just ate it. This kid right here just died. Dumbass. He throws a stick. You're gonna kill somebody, man. Fucking dumbass. Ishmael, you ruined everything.
She saw me already.
Ishmael, blow the camera a kiss. Lazy Boards crew.
Huh? Want to help over or do you want to just walk back out?
So we have Ishmael like a peasant all the way down here. Oh yeah, our stuff is down there.
Oh, should have got it.
Yeah. No, we have Haley.
All over my face.
This Asian girl. And then we have
You okay?
Ellie. You see him afraid to
Film that. What?
Edward, is it true you're having a love affair?
With my helmet.
With your
It's possible.
Yeah, I found a new
Grab
helmet.
your sack. Why
My
is your sack
sack?
gotta be so small?
Well, it's bigger than yours. No, good fuck. At least. No, I was gonna say something fucked up. That's too. Blow me a kiss as you walk off.
I didn't mean to.